Hello everyone. Today we will talk about cloud variables in Scratch. When you make a variable in Scratch, there is an option to tick as a cloud variable. So let's say there is a variable name var and I make it cloud. Then you see there is a note which says cloud variables only support numbers, not letters or symbols. So this is one thing you should remember, that in the cloud variable you can only save numbers. You can't use the letters or any symbols in the cloud variable. And with the cloud variable name, you will see a cloud sign so that you can differentiate between a regular variable and the cloud variable. How cloud variable is different from the normal variable? You can think of cloud variable as a shared variable which is shared among all the users of the project. So to understand this, I have created a very small example. So in this example, we have two variables, var1 and var2. Var1 is like a regular and the normal variable. Var2 is the cloud variable. As you can see, there is a cloud symbol with its name. So when I click on this cat, var1 and var2 both increase by 1. I have shared this project. Now multiple people can play it. On the left hand side there is one player, on the right hand side there is another player. So when the left one is playing, when the left one is clicking on the cat, you see var1 and var2 both has increased by 1. But on the right hand side, var1 is still 0, var2 has increased by 1. Var2 has changed because it's a shared variable, it is a cloud variable. Var1 is a regular variable. It means every player or the every user of this project has a separate copy of the var1, but var2 is shared among all the users. A very good usage of cloud variable is to save the best score. When you are making a game in Scratch and you want to keep the track of best score, then you can use this variable. Cloud variables is not available in Scratch application, Scratch offline editor. It is only available in Scratch website because it doesn't make sense, right? Because the data is shared. How the data is going to be updated without internet? That's why it is not available in the offline editor. One most last important thing is that this feature is only available to signed in Scratcher. It means you should be logged in as well as you should be a Scratcher.